Welcome back to the channel. DJI has finally teased the most awaited mini drone of the year. They are calling it the Pro and Mini, and it already has everyone talking. The official launch date is set for September 17th, and fans can hardly wait to see it in action. For months, there have been leaks, images, and endless rumors about this drone. But now, the excitement is real because DJI has confirmed what's coming. The Mini 5 Pro promises to bring professional features in a compact size, making it one of the most exciting releases of the year. When it comes to design, DJI has made sure the Mini 5 Pro keeps its compact identity. It is slightly larger than the Mini 4 Pro, but the weight still stays under 150 grams. This is a big deal because it keeps the drone easy to carry and fly without extra restrictions. At the bottom, the drone carries a CO sticker. This means it does not need FAA approval to fly in the United States, giving pilots more freedom right out of the box. DJI has worked hard to fit advanced hardware into such a small frame, and that makes the Mini 5 Pro stand out as a true Pro and Mini. The highlight of the Mini 5 Pro is without a doubt its camera. DJI has added a 50-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a huge step up for a mini drone. This sensor can capture stunning details and richer colors, giving your footage a more professional look. It can shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second, perfect for smooth and cinematic slow motion. The wide f1.8 aperture makes it strong in low light, so shooting during sunsets or in darker conditions will look much better. The camera also supports 4K HDR with up to 14 stops of dynamic range and 10-bit recording, which opens the door for more flexibility in editing. On top of that, the gimbal can rotate up to 225 degrees, allowing the drone to shoot true vertical videos made ready for social media. The Mini 5 Pro is not just about the camera. Its performance in the air has also received a big boost. With the standard battery, you can enjoy up to 36 minutes of flight time, which is already quite impressive for a compact drone. But if you go for the Plus battery, the flight time jumps all the way to 50 minutes. That means longer sessions in the air, more chances to capture the perfect shot, and less worry about frequent landings. This improvement makes the Mini 5 Pro a reliable companion for both casual flying and serious filming projects. DJI has also improved how the Mini 5 Pro connects and transfers data. The drone now supports a simple Bluetooth binding process, making it quick to set up and start flying. When it comes to sharing your footage, the Mini 5 Pro uses Wi-Fi 6 technology, allowing transfer speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. This means you can move large 4K videos to your device in no time. Leaked promotional images also show the drone being used with the RCN3 controller, giving pilots precise control and a familiar DJI experience. These upgrades make the Mini 5 Pro not only powerful in the air but also practical when it comes to managing and sharing your content. The Mini 5 Pro also comes loaded with smart features that make flying easier and more fun. It includes MasterShots, QuickShots, and panorama modes, allowing you to create creative videos with just a few taps. For those who want smooth tracking, the new 360-degree ActiveTrack keeps your subject in focus, even when it's moving in different directions. Another handy upgrade is the off-state quick transfer, which lets you move files quickly without even turning on the controller. These features are designed to save time and give both beginners and professionals more creative control in the air. Now let's talk about the price. In the European market, the standard Mini 5 Pro is listed at €819. For those who want more flight time and accessories, the Fly More combo is available. Depending on the controller you choose, it will cost between €1,029 and €1,159. While this is slightly higher than the previous model, the upgrades in camera, flight time, and features make the increase very reasonable. DJI is clearly positioning the Mini 5 Pro as a drone that delivers professional performance without breaking the bank. DJI is aiming the Mini 5 Pro at a wide range of users. Whether you are just starting out or you have years of flying experience, this drone is built to fit your needs. Beginners will enjoy its lightweight, easy controls, and built-in safety features. Professionals will value the powerful camera, long flight time, and advanced shooting options. By combining portability with pro-level performance, DJI has created a drone that offers strong value in a compact size. It's no surprise that the Mini 5 Pro is being called one of the most exciting drone releases of the year. The wait is almost over. The DJI Mini 5 Pro will officially launch on September 17th, and it already looks set to be a game changer. With its upgraded camera, longer flight time, smart features, and compact size. It brings professional power to the mini drone category. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone, or a professional searching for a lightweight companion, the Mini 5 Pro has something to offer. DJI has once again raised the bar, and this release is definitely worth keeping an eye on.